Hi guys, this case is about healthcare manufacturing case solution. Introduction. Healthcare manufacturing, incorporation positions as a revolutionary strength in the healthcare manufacturing segment, well known for its leading-edge expertise, greater quality products, and resolute obligation to progressing healthcare distribution. HMI has constantly pressed the limitations of innovation, generating a position for itself in the highly reasonable healthcare market. James et al. 2008. Its ability to navigate challenges, embrace opportunities, and deliver transformative solutions underscores its significance in the industry. HMI is recognized for its innovative product portfolio, encompassing state-of-the-art medical devices, precision instruments, and advanced healthcare technologies. The company's relentless focus on research and development has led to the creation of groundbreaking solutions that address critical healthcare challenges. Evaluation of risks, opportunities, and key factors. Market expansion. Acquiring Healthcare Manufacturing Incorporated might provide an opportunity to expand your market presence in the healthcare industry, allowing you to reach new customers and geographical regions. Synergies. Synergies between your existing operations and Healthcare Manufacturing Incorporated. This could include complementary products, technologies, or distribution channels that can create cost savings and improve overall efficiency. We get all 2023. Economies of scale. The larger operation might benefit from economies of scale, leading to reduced production costs per unit. This can enhance the competitive advantage and increase profitability. Valuation. Healthcare Manufacturing, Inc.'s research and development capabilities. If they have innovative technologies or patents, it could enhance your product portfolio and keep you ahead of competitors. Management and culture. The compatibility of management teams and corporate cultures. A smooth transition requires alignment in leadership styles and organizational values. Synergy assessment. Identification and quantify potential synergies, both in terms of cost savings and revenue enhancements. This will help in understanding the financial impact of the acquisition. Perspectives to consider. Operational perspective. The acquisition will impact day-to-day operations, production processes, and supply chain management. Legal and regulatory perspective. Compliance with regulations and legal requirements, including licenses, permits, and intellectual property rights. Thanks for watching this video. For more case studies, please visit our website, TheCaseSolutions.com. Also like and subscribe our channel The Case Solutions.